Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
By the pond so wide, a cat with fur of midnight pride, with emerald eyes that gleamed like dew, spied a rat with a coat of brownish hue. The rat was clever, quick on his feet, dancing round lilies, oh, what a feat! He twitched his tail in mischievous cheer, while the cat crouched low, her intentions were clear. With a pounce and a splash, the chase began bold, through reeds and reflections where stories unfold. They leapt o'er the ripples, they darted through grass, as echoes of laughter from each would amass. The water turned silver beneath sun's warm embrace, as rats zigzagged swiftly, a curious race. But the cat was relentless, her heart raced with glee. This playful pursuit brought pure jubilee.
Maybe I can get some food too.
Around mossy banks where wildflowers grew, their antics enchanted both skies deep and blue. With each twist and turn as they frolicked about, the world held its breath at their whimsical route. Yet deeper than mischief lay something more sweet, a friendship that flourished in this playful beat. For amidst all the splashes and moments of fright, their hearts found a rhythm that felt just right. Then twilight approached with its lavender hues, the chase slowed to whispers, the day bid adieu. And side by side neath the stars' gentle glow, the cat curled up tight while the rat made it slow. So here in this pond where mischief took flight, two souls intertwined in an innocent night. Though different they seemed in their nature's design, in laughter's embrace.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.